Welcome back, welcome back. Updating your navigation. This is how you do it. Just search Kia Map Update in Google. Come to the first site. And right here at the bottom, it actually walks you through it. Right down the side. Alright, you don't have to do an email and password. You can actually do guest login. Alright, I'm gonna pause here for a second. Search using system model name and software version. So y'all see that? Okay. Notice. You got 22, then you got 19 through 21. Then you got 18. Select the car over there. Select your year. Hit OK. I'm going to store this on my hard disk. Hit OK. Alright, it's telling me where it's gonna be at. I'm gonna let that download. As you see, that's 24 minutes. Not gonna hold y'all the whole time, but I'm gonna let this download and we'll get back to it. Alright, it has finished. Telling me to save it on a USB device and connect USB device to vehicle before starting update. Or I can copy to an SD card. I'm gonna copy to an SD card. So my next step is go retrieve my SD card out of my car and back up the files and then upload these files. Alright, now that I've retrieved my SD card out the car, I'm going to minimize this, and this. And when you plug it in, don't know what it'll come up as, but for me, it came up as eDrive SDAC. I'm going to copy. copy, because it is a big file. I'm gonna let it copy, then I get back to y'all. Okay, that has finished. I do not know how to format, but I'm going to try and delete. It's not allowing me to delete, so I'm gonna leave that there and go back to navigation. Tell it to copy. Say okay. Okay, it's gonna automatically format for me. Okay, if you notice, it's download time remaining, that's completed. Download speed completed. So it's not downloading directly to the card. I would say download it first, just to make sure you don't corrupt something in the middle of something. Power outage or something happened. This way you know it's downloaded completely and good to go. So now we wait again for this to finish copying to the SD card, and I'll come back after it's finished copying and load it into the car. Alright, it has finished downloading and copying over. Prompted me to hit OK. Close program. Yes, now it's time to take it out to the car and plug it in. So I've plugged it in, and that's the screen it gave me. Okay, I got a failed. Okay, I got a failed. It'll let me hit OK. So it's for parent update. Okay, it's gonna let me drive and everything. I'm actually getting ready to head out. I'm gonna let that update. I'll be able to give y'all a time on how long it took. Okay, y'all, so the first one took about 10 minutes, and now it's doing an update to the system, 1 of 3. I've been on the screen now for about 5 minutes. I'll just keep y'all updated as you go through it. Okay, I just got to part 2. Part 1 took, I can't see a clock on my screen nor my phone, which I'm recording from, but if I have to estimate, it was about 10 minutes that it took, and it seemed like the GPS was going pretty fast. It's updating, so this shouldn't take long. Then I'll see what the next one is. GPS update was maybe a total of 2 minutes. Now it's updating UCOM. Don't know what that is. Try to keep an idea how long this one is taking, and I'll let you all know once it's done. Okay, so UCOM just finished. It literally took about a solid minute, maybe a minute and 30 seconds. So I'm gonna let this reset. I can see what the update is like. Check the map out. Wish there was a way to update that. So I've seen a 22 dashboard, even a GT with just a basic screen. I like the new animations in there and the new coloring that they did. Okay, updates complete.
Anywhere you take your phone, you can.
And there it goes. Got the new buttons. They was just all white before, and now you got a little purple with it and stuff. I don't know if I can change the color. Okay. All right. Map looks better. I actually like that.
Oreo, Michael Smith.
Alright, I knew it better not have lost my did I lose all my radio channels? Yeah, I did. Okay, that's one drawback. Lose all your radio channels. So let me go ahead and reset those. Okay, that's how you do it. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. Just want to do this for some of the people who might be scared too, didn't quite want to try it, but it's a straightforward, simple process. Just take your time, say about an hour and 30 minutes of your time, and you can get it done and get all the updated maps for free. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.